So today we have a customer's repair. It's a radio from 1981, 1982, first generation of UK CB radios. It's the Maxcom 6E, and this has come out very well. And this is the same customer who sent in the CB27, was it? Which was an awful set, and is going back unrepaired. Anyway, this one's beautiful, and hopefully Mr. Chippie is out there, and we'll give him a call. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy? Yep, okay, we are recording.
Just making my way to the end of the line.
Roger on that. So it's 40 channel FM, and I've always found it unusual, the channel displays over there and the channel selectors there. So it's just something which always appealed to me. So on the back you've got the extension speaker socket, you've got a public address speaker socket, so you can switch. Oh, no, it doesn't have P. Hey, this, I'm lying. It's just has the extension speaker. So you've got channel 9 switch there, and then you've got the high-low power, which was part of the UK licensing in 1981, which was 0.4 watts for low power. So volume, squelch and RF gain.
Passing Ancaster services.
Okay, roger on that, Ancaster services.
Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads, loud and clear. Okay, got you at the top of the hill, no doubt just past the quarry. Okay, got you at Scratchy Corner, going round that bend at Wilsford. Roger, got you at Wilsford Level Crossing. Roger, got you loud and clear at the turn for Kelby. That makes him about 4 miles away now, and as I've said before, wrong side of the hill, so it's one valley to another valley, and it's difficult terrain, which is why we do it like this. So his next call in will be the 5 mile point. Roger, got you at Greyleys. Okay, roger on that. Got you at the Roresby Level Crossing. Give me a final count. If you just loop back round the roundabout, it'll just add another half mile onto the test when the train's gone going through over.
Okay, well, we just transferred the transmit audio on that to it, and as far as signal goes, it's only just dropping down to about 7 at the moment.
Yeah, well there you go, they're good sets. Are you still waiting at that level crossing? Excellent. Oh, that's excellent. So that's the 6.5 mile bit. Right, okay, see you back at base. Tango 21 out. Well, that worked fine, didn't it? And that's a 38-year-old radio. That just goes to show. So, thank you for watching the Maxcom 6E on the air test.